Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. I'm Heather, and today we have a special request from actually one of my VR videos, and that is this comment right here. So after two comments about my two separate outfits, I decided to go ahead and honor the wonderful suggestion because it's kind of cool. And truthfully, I was wondering how my outfits were hitting, so to speak. So, anyways, first off, I'll start with the basics. I'm just going to show you up close and personal the gloves because I'm going to be playing a game shortly, so I figured I might as well get these on, get them ready to go. So they are a basic fake leather gloves. They're fingerless, so that it's easier for me to kind of feel my controllers, I guess you could say. They are belted, so they do have these buckles here. I don't know if you can see those. And then it's just an entirely long strap that you wrap around your wrist. It's a little bit of a pain in the ass to get on, I'm not gonna lie, but totally worth it in the end because I played hard enough that my hands obtained blisters. So as you can see, it's just a simple long studded piece that you just wrap around however you wish. I found this way is the best for me, and they don't really slip around a lot. All right. Okay. And then essentially when I'm finished, I put them on. I take the little excess piece here, and I just kind of tuck it underneath, and voila, and then they don't get in the way. Super simple, super easy, and they are right here. And they didn't cost me very much at all. I'll leave the link to all the outfit pieces in the description below. So check that out if you're interested. Signature, wonderful cat ears that I generally try to wear in almost every video. I lost them for a couple videos. I think they somehow managed in the wash with everything else. So we substituted with these for a little while. And now I had to be careful with these ones because they are those flippy things, and I don't know if you can see, my camera's a douche, but they're green when they're flipped the wrong way, and well, with the monochrome green screen, they just disappear. So these aren't super fun to wear when you're using a green screen, because the monochrome just does not like other green. So pretty basic. The link for these wonderful things will be here. I got them in a kit. Came with the tail and some gloves. I totally used the gloves a couple times as well. They were a little bit too thick and fuzzy. I couldn't feel my controllers, so they were hard. So first off, I guess we're going to start off with the basics of this outfit here. And as you can see, I'm kind of just wearing a basic bodysuit with this wonderful, nice pair of shorts. They have two belts on each side. And of course, I don't like the way that the top of this sits on me, so I do wear a sports bra over top of the strapless part of the bodysuit / bathing suit, just for the sole fact that I move around a lot, I don't have a whole lot up there, and well, the cup sizes are a little too big for what I do not have, so that kind of helps it from falling down. That's pretty much the general gist of it. The long, tall, knee-high socks you can get from almost any store that sells socks, however, again, I got most of those on Amazon. So now that you've seen what the outfit looks like in one piece, and on me, start with the basic part. So here's the swimsuit, and yes, that's exactly what it is. It's a swimsuit. It's 100% a swimsuit, and it's nothing special about it. Unfortunately, it is actually one of the most expensive pieces. As you can see, it is strapless. Now, it did come with straps, but one broke because, well, it's the least durable part of the suit. So I do keep the one strap that I have left around my neck, but again, it's not very tensiony, I guess. So unfortunately, without the tension, again, and well, my non-existing chesticles are released. Not good for you too. Here's the wonderful link for that as well, and the price. As I said, this is one of the most expensive pieces. You have to get it from, I do believe it is called lookbook store. Yes, you have to get it from the lookbook store. I'll leave the link in the description below. Again, you can get it on Amazon. Definitely worth it, especially considering it like goes with almost every one of my bottom pieces. I did have a separate shirt that I would wear as a bodysuit as well, but because of how thin the lace material was, it actually ripped, so I can't really show you that, but it was essentially the same as this. It just lace material, tank top, wear a nice black shirt underneath. Most of the time, again, it was the Skorts bra. These are the wonderful socks that I wear in my videos. They're most of my videos. They're quite thick, so they tend to stay up on my fat thighs. Yes, I do have pretty fat thighs. Not the fattest, but I like it. Moving on. Oh yeah, and here is the picture and the link and so on and so forth for the socks. Again, they're a little bit expensive, but again, worth it. You probably will only need to buy 1 or 2 pairs, assuming you don't do laundry every day of your clothing. Last but not least, we have the shorts for the final part of this outfit for the most part. Again, these are an Amazon find. They're just simple, basic shorts. They're pretty thick, pretty stretchy. So they work real well for moving around. Definitely good for dancing in because they're quite thick and durable. The buckles actually are adjustable in these ones. I have another pair of shorts that are a little bit too risque for you to, and they're just fake buckles. You can't adjust them, so you better hope you have fat thighs, or it's just gonna look weird. So here is these wonderful shorts. They're probably one of my favorites, I will admit. All right, so I guess moving on to outfit number 2. So as you can see in this outfit, I'm wearing the same bodysuit, obviously, because, well, it goes with almost everything, as I said. And on top of that, I am wearing the stripy socks, which are a little bit thinner, so they don't go up quite as high, and they don't stay up as well. I do find myself adjusting these in between songs. And then, of course, you have the wonderful little garter. This is just an extra piece that came with my stuff. And it's literally just a piece of elastic with a ring holding it together. And that came with one of the skirts. So here we are. I guess I'll show you piece by piece. What I didn't show you again, so it's the bodysuit, first outfit, if you want to see it again. So here is the actual skirt itself. Again, it's made of almost the same material as the shorts. It's super thick, super heavy duty. It does have shorts underneath, but the shorts underneath are thin, and when you are moving around a lot, they tend to ride up into places that shouldn't be ridden up into, unless I say it's okay, and I didn't, so that can be a problem. And here is the picture, and the link is in the description for that as well. I will also make sure I put all the prices up. And then here are the beautiful, wonderful striped socks that I wore in the video. As you can see, they're just regular knee-high socks. Stretchy, not too thick. Definitely good for dancing in. I wear socks just because I don't like how I slip around a little bit. So. And then, of course, I wore the little ears. Pretty basic, pretty simple. Just add a couple extra pieces of the same bodysuit. The final outfit is actually just another piece. So as you can see here. Right, so this piece is essentially just like another skirt, except this one does not have shorts underneath. And it has just a single band with a circle metal ring instead of buckles, which again kind of sucks because I can't really adjust it unless like I totally cut the pieces, sew them together, and made it shorter than who wants to do that. So going into detail, here is the back and the front. Again, now this skirt is definitely not as thick as the other ones and not nearly as stretchy, but it's still definitely durable enough to do the job. As you can see, it's just got the, I can find it, it's just got the single ring cuff, and there are no shorts underneath, so it's a good thing it's a bathing suit underneath, because I'm pretty sure I had a few flash moments. That's okay. Here's the wonderful picture, description, link, find it, description. Fun times, always fun times. So other than that, that's pretty much the extent of what I wear in most of my videos, just because it's comfortable, it's easy to wear. Special videos, I'll wear like my dark atlas outfit, which is a whole other thing, and it's definitely a fun thing to get into. But other than that, yeah, I will wear a dress every so often, just because I technically like to go outside of the norm. I wanted to do something that all the other awesome Beat Saber slash synth rider players out there, and that was not wear dresses and schoolgirl outfits, even though they look cool as hell. I wanted to be different, and I decided to go for more of my style, which is like dark crop tops and tight things and jeans and chains and belts and buckles. So yeah, I figured I could somehow make those cool. Plus black contrasts really, really well with the brains. So black is always a hit. I've been told a couple times now that my outfits remind them of Mark Croft, which is kind of cool. Not going to deny that. And I can't remember Catwoman, only better. So, hey, what are you going to do, right? So if you want to see any other tutorials on any of my other outfits, go ahead and leave a like, leave a comment, let me know, and I will definitely try that. Thank you so much for, asking. I actually kind of enjoyed this. It was fun to go through my clothes. Some of the outfit items are a little bit expensive, and some of them are all actually pretty inexpensive, but that's in Canadian, so American's probably going to be much cheaper. I'm not too sure what it would be in UK pounds or any other currencies, so you're just going to have to go onto your local Amazon and convert it. And other than that, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and I hope to see you in future videos. It's fun. Bye, guys.